Laos. I feel a bit rusty. I haven't made a YouTube video in a while, but we have just started our next big trip, which will see us go from our home in Chiang Mai over to Laos, where we are now. Slow boat to Luang Prabang, and then we're going to take the train up to China and spend a month exploring there. But this video is about the slow boat to Luang Prabang. We are on board Shompoo Cruises. We came up from Chiang Mai to Chiang Kong yesterday. It was about a 4.5-hour drive. Spent the night, spent this morning crossing the border, which was super straightforward. Didn't film it, pretty boring. And then we jumped on this boat and we've set off making our way to Luang Prabang. We have one stop tonight in Pak Beng, I don't know. And I think we're going to make a few other stops for some sightseeing along the way. Per usual, we haven't done very much research, so we will show you stuff as it comes.
Hey, Zuri taking his shoes off, getting comfortable. Look at that, it's a Toyota. We have a tradition when we're traveling that when we're on a mode of transport like this boat today, that Hayes gets a little mini Lego set.
With a number 1 on the back.
Some might call it bribery, but...
Yeah, but it's a bit of fun. But do you know what's really cool? Did you notice something different about the legs? So this athlete is a para-athlete. They compete in the Paralympics, so these are called like blades, and they connect them to the stumps on their legs so that they can run.
That's cool.
So I mentioned this morning we crossed the border and I didn't film it because it was quite boring and straightforward. Also, we got a new camera, so I'm one of these people now. I hope it's not obnoxious. Nobody cares. I did just want to mention, though, how good the communication from Shompoo has been. It's only like, it's 9:50. We haven't been with them that long. And full disclosure, we're collaborating with them. But I also used to run a tour company, and my pet peeve on like tours or activities is when they just kind of like throw you into a van and they don't say anything, or they stop and they don't tell you why you're stopping, or all of that kind of stuff. Our guide Wong is fantastic. We had a 20-minute drive once we crossed the Laos border to the boat pier, and he gave the perfect amount of information, not too much, stuff about Laos, the makeup of Laos, the people, the languages, all of that stuff. And then on the boat, a great overview of what we're doing today and where we're stopping for sightseeing, but also we're stopping for like 10 minutes for the captain to get like a passport stamp or something. Just like such good communication. And this feels weird since, we are collaborating, but this is exactly the kind of stuff that when we're on tours and experiences where they don't do that, I'm like, why aren't they doing that? Like, I don't know, introducing ourselves, we know where everybody's from. It's really great. There's 15 people on our boat today because it is smoky season. The air quality is not great. There's 15 people and the capacity is 40, and I think 8 is what they need to guarantee a departure. So yeah. That's probably a lot of information that maybe you cared about, maybe you didn't, but you're watching this video.
You want to play?
Yeah.
No.
After they go past that mountain, walks out the Mekong, Laos. And now, welcome to Laos, 100%.
Up until now, we were in the middle of the Mekong with Thailand on one side and Laos on the other, but now we're just in Laos.
You know what? No, nearly 80% of the population lives on this river in Laos.
Because it's landlocked.
Right.
The river's important.
Right.
We've been on our fair share of boats. Pretty loud. Like the houseboats in Kerala, we were just in the Sundarbans in East India. And one of the things I always love the most about boat journeys is seeing the kitchens and like we've had some of the most delicious meals of our entire travels while being on these boats. And it looks like, it's only 11 o'clock, but it looks like we're in store for something delicious for lunch. Wong was also telling me how just behind the kitchen, behind the clock, is the living room of the family and the captain that stay on here. I love seeing how they use space and the layout, but I do think I will have Pete give you a full boat tour. Maybe tomorrow? I don't know.
There's water coming out. And then
Lunch is served. I'll let Wong explain what we're eating, but it looks delicious.
One is a fish We call in our language, we call mukbang. Fried chicken wing, fried cauliflower, cucumber salad. And the last one here, chicken sweet and sour.
Alright, so to go along with our lunch, I'm gonna get, which is my favorite beer in the whole of Southeast Asia, beer Laos. Steph, our first beer Laos in Laos. Khắp Chai.
Finished up a brief stop in a Kamu village. Pretty interesting to see how they live along the Mekong. We checked out a local school. Hayes felt it necessary to name every person in his class at his school to our guide Wong.
Carissa, Oliva, Camilla, and Uso. And I think that's it.
And now we're getting back on the boat, and I think just a couple more hours until the place where we'll spend the night.
These a little bit early. It's a sticky rice with banana. They've just steamed it. It's really good, right? 4:10. Just arrived in Pak Beng, where we're going to be spending the night. That was such a relaxing journey. Now we're going to go and check out a hotel, which I can't wait. I think it has a swimming pool. This is incredible. We get to spend the night here. Oh wow, it's amazing. First impressions of our beautiful room here at Pak Sanctuary. At the Sanctuary Pak Beng Lodge. All right, gotta do this. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow.
Okay, Hayes, you gotta give them a break. So sick of us. These guys were. Do you mind? You're very far. These guys were also in our hotel yesterday evening and sat next to us on the boat all day long. And I'm not sure this is what they signed up for.
All right, let's lead into it. Let's continue our tour. Come on in. Whoa, this is beautiful. Look how high the ceilings are in here. It's amazing. Okay, got some other little window action here. Another little balcony out there. Fridge. Okay, oh look. Oh, this is so cute. Got dressing gowns, extra blankets. Not sure we're gonna need those. His and her sinks. What's in here? It's a toilet. Very cute. And what's over here? A shower.
It is always really fun to go to places you've never heard of in your life and find out they are absolutely stunningly gorgeous. Look at that.
As you can see, we're enjoying dinner. And I think that's going to be a night. We'll see you in the morning when we get back on the boat.
Then when at a time or something, we're gonna go see the elephants.
Tomorrow morning when we get on the boat, we might see them.
Elephants like over there or something.
Hopefully we're lucky.
You see where the green boat is? See the green boat?
Oh yeah.
In the corner there. See, there's a little cove of water. And you can see the elephant on the side.
They literally just
Oh
came down
yeah,
on their
that's
own.
fine.
Yeah, I thought someone would.
Yeah, but they had like a.
What's to stop them from swimming across? How do you like your morning coffee?
I love a morning coffee with an elephant sighting. Having a morning drink in the Mekong River.
We're gonna have to go down this.
I'm ready to do this again.
It'd be so fun with like a group of friends. Can you jump sideways in checkers to take somebody? I don't think so.
This is the back of the boat where there's that. A big piece of water. A biggest. Now let's go to the meet. Here's a long table. And now let's go here. A long, smooth walkway that goes to where they cook the food. There's random shoes here and random shoes and fire extinguisher. This is boys' bathroom and girls' bathroom where you have to have those to go in the bathrooms. That's where they have the Sprites and chips that we just got. That one we got. And then there's like, I don't know what that is called. And now this is where all the persons are that are sitting on the so many tables. And that's our table where we built that thing. I'll come and show you. Here. This is not actually a roller coaster, but it can roll to another side with a thing that's cool. And then these white on the table, so it makes the tables not queen. Here is all the backpacks with everybody's stuff. That's mine. That's mine. That's mommy's. That's my dad's. He's filming now. And this is all the sand there, where there's water coming out. And then this is the front, the very front of the boat. Out here is the wind that's coming into the boat, like that's going to the very back. And then it's gonna cut the air that is at the back can't come this way because the water is coming.
Final thoughts about this boat? Have you liked it?
Yeah.
All right. Should we wrap the boat tour up?
No.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
I don't think we filmed much today. It's been very relaxing, but now it's, I don't know, like 1:30 or so, and we're at our first stop, which is Paku Caves. Just hanging out in the caves, admiring the Buddhas.
So we're going to go up to the higher cave.
Might as well, right?
This is our final stop.
Before the Luang Prabang.
And apparently they make whiskey here. And they make it like the kind with snakes and stuff in it.
They didn't say that.
Yeah. Come on.
You didn't like whiskey till you married a Tennessean.
I missed the whiskey stuff in Vietnam that you guys were on recently.
Our 4 jars of the fermentation rice, if the boil that rice, they spend only 2 hours.
What was it done?
In a day,
Pete was right, and I do have the snakes and scorpions and stuff in them, but he was explaining that we're not Laos, so we're not going to try this.
They have a lot to add. I'm sorry. Just enjoying the moment.
With the flowers. We made it to Luang Prabang. Luang Prabang is what he was saying. Luang Prabang?
Yeah, no Luang Prabang.
Oh yeah.
Flower!
Anyway, we made it. That was such a fun 2 days. I feel like I always say this, but we had very limited expectations and it over-delivered. Did you have fun on the boat? Yeah, even Hayes had fun. We were like a little bit worried he would get bored, but thank you to the whole team at Shompoo Cruises, our guide Wong, Alex, the entire boat staff for making that just a really relaxing and informative 2 days. Like I said, I wasn't sure what to expect, but I would recommend it to anyone. We've already told my parents that they should go on a trip from Chiang Mai when they visited us. I think this is when I'm also supposed to plug myself and say that I do work as a travel advisor, so I can help you if you're looking to do a trip to Southeast Asia or now Laos, which is in Southeast Asia. Anyway, goodbye. We'll see you in the next one, which will be from Luang Prabang before we continue onwards to China.
Hi.
Where'd you learn that?
From Shompoo Cruise.